Because you were listening?
Yeah.
Can you wave to the camera? Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Let's go see what you got. How about that?
Okay. Let's open this. See what we got.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Here, Trip.
Trip,
right
open
here.
it. Open this one.
Open it. Look. Who is this?
It's a ducky.
It's who is it? What's his name?
Lucy.
Lutzy.
Hi, Lucy.
Say nice to meet you, Lutzy.
He tried to get me.
He trying to get you. He likes to play tag.
He likes to play tag. Trip, give Lutzy pets.
Can you give him a big hug?
He sucked.
He is soft.
Whoa. Whoa, Lucy.
Oh, give Lutzy hugs and kisses, Trip. Give Lutzy hugs and kisses.
Ready? Here, give him a hug.
I did.
You did it.
What about a kiss?
I did. No, I don't like to do it anymore. That's okay. Let's open this present.
You want to open that present? Say hi, Lutzy.
Hi, Lucy. Our dog is out of town. No.
What dog's out of town?
Our
Trip, give Lutzy pets.
This is your new dog.
This is your new doggy. This is what Santa brought you.
I pet him.
He's like, I want toys.
Can we open this one?
Yes, we're going to open this one.
And all the presents. And look, he brings. You know what this is?
What is it?
Here you go. You got to be careful. Lutzy will want to play with your toys too. You got to put everything away.
This is a new neighbor. This is a new
Mater?
Yeah.
It's a new mater. Look at this little guy. Look, I found him some present that Santa left. Look at that. Is that a bone? That looks like Lutzy.
Yeah.
You want to open it and give it? Oh, Lutzy likes to play tag.
Yeah.
You want to
And
play
look
tag?
what I found.
Here you go, Lutzy. That's all for you. Santa brought you your airplane. Brought you Dusty. Look.
Can I see it?
You can.
Can I play it?
Yeah, show Lutzy.
Hi, Lutzy. Hi, Lutzy. Hi, sweet boy. Ah! Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy.
Lutzy.
No. We can.
Sweet boy.
Can you have some more?
You want to open some more?
Let's play with Lutzy first.
No. Let's see.
That's for Lutzy.
Look, I found.
Whoa.
It's Lego.
It's Lego Duplo. Isn't that red?
Yeah.
That's
With the
red.
fire truck. Can we open this one? I open the plane fire rescue one.
You like to play in fire rescue ones?
I'll open this one.
That's a matching
Hey, Lutzy.
game. You have to match the cards up. We'll show you how to play that one.
Okay. And some pray.
You want to open some of the ones that are gift wrapped?
Let me turn off.
And
Keep going.
another doggy. And look what
Yeah,
I
this
found.
one.
Another doggy.
That's a doggy toy. You want to open it so you can give it to
Want to
Lutzy?
give it to Lutzy?
Hi, Lucy.
Oh, look what's on the front of that one.
What is it? Oh, it's a Pomeranian. You want to give that toy to Lutzy?
There's another toy for you, Lucy. Oh, Santa ate all his food.
He did.
Maybe Lucy need to go potty.
No, he just went potty, actually.
Oh.
Hey, Trip, give this toy to Lutzy.
And I gotta put a squeaker in.
Yeah,
But I don't know how. Let's see. See if we can put a squeaker in.
Can we open this one?
You want to open that one?
Okay, yeah.
We can.
This is Lego.
Lego.
You got this.
Lego Duplos.
Lego Pluto. What did you did? You build a doggy for...
There you go, Lutz.
He not Lutz, he's Lutsy.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lutsy.
Can you open this one?
I can.
You don't play with that.
Hey, you know what? Do you want to give Daddy his present?
I will get your present.
My present?
Yeah, where's your present?
My present?
And your daddy's present.
Daddy's present? You want to get Daddy's present? I think Daddy said my present didn't come in time.
Yeah, Mommy's is still on Santa's sleigh.
Sorry.
Look, it's got another hose. The other one you have is a gas hose.
Trip, where's my present?
I can't find it. How about that one is yours?
I will go and look for Daddy's because I want you to give Daddy his present.
Uh-oh. Timer went off.
It's just the preheat. I've already got the food in there.
Look at Lutsy.
Oh, no. He's a nigger dog.
He's gonna be a big dog, though.
Here's his
They go on
ladder.
a hose.
He's what?
They go on a hose.
Yeah.
This should go like this with
And here's the
ladder. Yeah. There's the fire. Oh, who's that? Is that Mater? Mater the Greater.
Look at Lutsy. Can you give Lutsy? Can you pet Lutsy?
I keep it Lutsy here. What did you do for Lutsy?
Yeah, we built a house for him.
Oh, goody. Maybe he's tired like that.
Okay.
I'll turn it on.
What's in there? Open it. Chip, open it. Open this one.
He tried it.
He likes to play
He likes to play tag. Chip, give Lutsy pets.
Can you give him a big hug? He is soft.
Oh, give Lutsy hugs and kisses, Chip. Give Lutsy hugs and kisses.
Ready? Here, give him a hug.
I did it.
You did.
What about a kiss? What dog's out of town?
give Lutzi pets.
This is your new dog.
This is your new doggy. This is what Santa brought you.
I pet it. Can we open this one?
Yes, you're going to open this.
All the presents. It was sleepy. So this is
What is it?
Here you go. You got to be careful. Lexi will want to play with your toys too. You got to put everything away.
this is a new neighbor. This is a new
Mayor? A new mayor? Look at this little guy. Look, I found him some President Santa left. Look at that. Is that a bone? That looks like Lexi.
Do you want to open it and give it? Oh, Lutzi likes to play tag.
You want to play Santa? Here you go, Lexi. That's all for you. Santa brought you your airplane. Aren't you dusty? Look.
Can I
You can.
play?
Yeah, show Lexi.
Hi, Lutzi. Hi, Lutzi. Hi, sweet boy. Ah! Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy.
No. We can you have some more?
You want to open some more?
Let's play with Lutzi first.
No.
That's for Lutzi.
Look, I found
Wow.
it's Lego.
It's Lego Duplo. This is, isn't that red?
Yeah. With the button. Here we go. With this one, I don't like that.
You like to play cracker one?
I'll open it.
That's a matching game. You have to match the cards up. We'll show you how to play that one.
Okay.
You want to open some of the ones that are gift wrapped?
Another dog. Look at my dog. Another dog.
That's a doggy toy. You want to open it so you can give it to Lutzi?
Give it to Lexi?
Hi, Dad.
Oh, look what's on the front of that one.
What is it? Oh, it's a Pomeranian. You want to give that toy to Lutzi?
There's another toy for you, Lucky. Oh, Santa ate all his food.
He did.
Maybe Lucky.
No, he just went potty, actually. Hey, Chip, give this toy to Lutzi.
I gotta put a squeaker in.
He has it.
I don't know how. See. I can put a squeaker in.
Can you open this one?
Yeah, open that one.
Yeah.
And
This is Lego.
Lego.
You got a new
Lego Duplo.
Lego Luca. What did you do? You built a doggy for
There you go, Lux.
not he not Lux, he Lux.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lexi. I can.
You don't play with that.
Hey, you know what? Do you want to give Daddy his present?
I'll get your present.
My present?
Hey, where's your present?
My present?
It's Daddy.
Daddy's present? You want to get Daddy's present? I think Daddy said my present is the minute.
Yeah, Mommy's is still on Santa's sleigh.
Sorry.
Look, it's got another hose. The other one you have is a gas hose.
Chip, where's my present?
I can't find it. Have a tablet here.
I will go and look for Daddy. I want to get Daddy's present.
Uh-oh. Timer went off.
It's just the what do I got?
Look at Lexi.
Oh, yeah. He neither dog.
He's gonna be a big dog, though.
There's this
They go on
ladder.
a hose.
He's what?
They go on a hose.
Yeah.
We should go like this.
Lutzi. Can you pet Lutzi?
Here. What did you do for that?
Yeah, we built a house for him.
Oh, look. Maybe he's hiding.
Here we go.
Before we start opening presents, Trip, I gotta get a trash bag.
Yep. Gotta get a big one. Hey, sweet boy. Hey, sweet boy. Can you come here, baby? Oh, I love it.
You gotta say it's yours. You gotta say it's yours.
Hey, say it was you. Yeah, I'm giving me kisses.
Trip, come on, let's get him. Come on, Lutzi. Come on, Lutzi. Oh.
Lutzi's getting ya.
Let's run back up the hill. Come on, Lutzi.
I'll get you.
You can't get me.
I will get you.
You can't get me. Come on, Lutzi, come get us. Come get us. Oh, Trip.
Fell down, go boom.
Come on,
Come on, Lutzi. Oh, he found a stick.
Let's go get Lutzi. Let's go get Lutzi. Piper's crying. Lutzi,
Go.
you're it.
Come and get me.
Come on, let's get Trip. Come on, Lutzi, let's get Trip.
Ah!
Oh, fall down, go boom.
You're it.
I'm it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get Lutzi. I'm gonna get Lutzi. Come on, Lutzi, come on.
I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you.
Come on, Lutzi. Let's go get Lutzi. Come on, Lutzi. Hi, Lutzi. You got me.
Ow.
Lutzi's gonna get you. Lutzi, want a treat? Give Lutzi a treat. Hey, give Lutzi his treat. Lutzi, you want a treat? No, don't throw it at him. Here, give it. Put it in his hand. Put it in his mouth.
Oh,
Oh,
look.
there it is.
Sweet dog. He's ate it. He ate it all up. How are your shoes working? Are the lights working?
Yeah, I think so.
Come on. Come on.
Say, come on, Lutzi.
Come on, Daddy.
Oh, me?
Come on, Lexi. You can't.
Go chase Lutzi.
Got ya. Come and get you.
You can't get me. Good TT. Good potty, Lutzi. Good potty.
Good
Oh, you
boy.
gotta leave. Good boy. Good potty.
I got
You want to throw it to Lutzi? Overhand. Remember, overhand. Good throw.
There he goes. He got it. Lutzi got it.
Okay. I want to play tag.
Okay, we'll get Lutzi.
Oh, no, this is you.
Okay, let's go. Come on, Lutzi. Come on, Lutzi.
Come on, Lexi.
Come on, Lutzi.
Lutzi's catching us. There goes Lutzi. There goes Lutzi. Lutzi got ya.
Let's go up the hill. Ready? You're it. You can't get me. All right, I gotta take a break.
We gotta take a break. It's cold. Mimi's gotta get her coat on. Let's go inside for a little
Let's
bit.
go inside. Come on, Lutzi.
I got it.